I believe the first few questions are quite easy. I think you should be able to get it done
Okay.
in a jiffy. All right, I think we can start. All right, there you go. Which one of the following fraction is the largest?
Uh, B.
All right. What I usually do is I draw a circle. Imagine this is a pizza. I cut them into two. Right? Sorry. So you get a big share, right? If it's shared by two people, you get a big portion. So that's the way I usually do it. You can do that if you want. Okay. So that's it. The answer is B.
If you share with two people, you get half.
Yeah, that's right. Let's move on. Which one of the following fractions closest to one? Wow. So you got to work out. Now, usually what I do is I draw a number line, right? Maybe you can do that if you want. This is 1, this is 1.5, this is 0.5, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, yeah, and then I'll try to
What does it mean by closest to one? Like
closest to 1. Okay, I give
closest to
you
one whole?
yeah, 1, which is one whole, all right? So I give you an example 0.8 and 0.9, which is closer to 1.
0.9.
Correct, that's one. That's all they're asking. So I could have 0.8 and 1.1, which is closer to 1. 1.1,
1.
exactly. So that's what they're asking. And that's why I drew a number line. And for you to plot on it, something similar, you can have your workings at your side. So, yep.
Is it 4/5?
Which one?
4/5.
4 or 5 gives you 0.8, right? So
Mm-hmm.
0.8 is going to be, let me change. 0.8 is going to be somewhere here.
But 5/4 is 1.25. Oh, wait. Oh, it's
So
6. It's 6/7. It's 6/7.
correct. There you go. You see what I've done? So 0.8 somewhere there. 1.25 is in between 1 and 1.5. Your 6/7 should give you 0.885. All right. Yeah, we have another student. Hang on. I'll just say hi to our new student. Hello. Could you just on your video, please? Thank you.
I think she's still connecting.
Yeah, slow. Yeah, just wait. Okay, so you got it right. Can use a number line to assist you. Hi. Very good afternoon to you. Hi there. I can't hear you guys. Yeah.
You're still connecting.
Yeah, it's connecting. It's a bit slow. Yeah, I saw that. Hello, are you there, Strada? Are you able to hear me out? Can you hear me? And Strada, can you hear me? On Brian, I think she's having a bit of a logistics issue. Strada, are you there? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. All right. Okay. Brian, we are okay with question 2. Let's move on to question 3. I think Strada can look at this at a later stage. Okay, question 3. Okay, this is a bit time consuming, and read the question carefully. I'll give you extra time.
Okay.
Strada, Strada, you there?
The chat.
Yeah, I did send a message. All right, she might be having some issues there. Okay, a 2-digit number that's less than 48. Okay, your number has got to be from 10 to 47, right? You know that. So 10 will be the smallest 2-digit number in.
So it will be 30. The number will be 34, but then has to be the smallest multiple of 19.
All right. So, and then it says when divided by 33 gives a remainder of 1. Okay, you get a clue there, but the important information is this. This information here. Multiple of 19. You saw that?
Yeah.
So can you work out the multiple of 19, but which is less than 48? So what are the multiples of 19?
19,
Yeah,
38.
well done. 19, 38. What's
Those
the
are
next
the
one?
only. Those are the only ones under
Correct. The next one
48.
is 57, but 57 is greater than 48, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you know 38 is very close to 8. All right. Okay. So, but it says when divided by 33, if you take 38 and every divided by 33, you will have a remainder of 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
They do not want 5, they want.
1.
So what can be the number? If just think about it, divided by 33.
Oh, what can be? Oh.
When divided by 33 gives a remainder of 1. So that number
Yes.
should be what? That should be, come on.
That should
What's
be
the
1.
number? A 2-digit number, you know, is less than 48. When divided by 33,
Mm-hmm.
it gives a remainder of 1.
Mm-hmm.
So
That's
something minus 33 must give you 1, right?
34 minus 33 gives you 1.
Correct. So you see, you saw that. So 33, you minus, oh, sorry, this part off, it should be 33. And you minus, you'll get 1, right? That's the remainder, right? Not.
Mm-hmm.
So this number should be 34. Okay, but read the question. What can be added to the number to change it to the smallest possible multiple of 19? So look at it. You know the multiples are these, right?
Mm-hmm.
Of course, this is 57 is out. So you only have 19 and 38. 19 is also out because 19 is not divisible by 33, right? So you got
Yeah.
38. So what is the question asking for?
What can you add?
Add. So your answer is, you know this answer is 34, right?
Yeah.
But what can be added to this number to get the smallest possible multiple of 19?
4.
Correct, because 34 plus 4 gives you 38. Therefore, your answer is 4.
Oh, I thought you meant what
All right,
can be
it
added
takes
to.
some time. Yeah, it's fine. Maybe it's the way it has been phrased. You take some time to digest this. I'll try to get hold of Strada. Strada, you there? Strada? Hello? Strada, you there? Hello? Yes, is this Strada? Smart? Okay, I'm on Zoom, I've been talking to your daughter, but she's not responding. Are you able to hear me? Can. So basically, yeah, no problem, no problem. Yeah, because no problem, because I just want to make sure that she's able to. Are you able to see the screen, right? Good. Yeah. So in the meantime, what she can do is she can use the chat function to communicate with. So that's fine. All right. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Take care. Ciao, ciao. Bye. Okay. There would be another question like this. So you try to digest the way you go to navigate. All right. It's not that difficult, right, Brian? Is that all right?
Yeah.
You just remember, all right, that's the way it has to be done. And some of the parts could be tricky. Remember this part, it says what can be added. All right. So most of the students would have given me 34 as the answer. They could have forgotten about what can be added. All right. So it should be 4. Okay. Or sometimes the students may even give me 38 as the answer. That's where your attention comes in, your eye for details. All right. Okay, good. Let's move on. Okay, next one.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you, Shraddha. Well done. All right. Thank you. Okay. The problem is the first 2 questions, but they're all right. They're pretty easy. We're doing question 4, as you can see it's on the screen. You can take a good 5 minutes to do this, maybe 6 minutes, right? And if you want to chat, if you're shy, you can use the chat function, okay? And if you want to excuse yourself, you need a toilet break, you can use the chat function, or you just talk to me direct, okay? All right? All right, good to have you, Shraddha. All right, question 4 is waiting for your attention. All right, okay.